So guys, today we are going to see some diagrams which are very important, which are very useful in medical. So it's very important to know about the pulse tracing, radial pulse tracing. Here we can see three types of pulses, three types of patients with three kinds of pulse tracing. That is normal, patent ductus arteriosus, aortic regurgitation. So the ranges of these three are normal is till 120, patent ductus arteriosus is till 140, and aortic regurgitation is between 140 to 120. So this is the diagram of brain. We can see all the parts of the brain here in this diagram. You can basically learn all the parts of brain from this diagram. It is quite difficult to draw or quite difficult to remember the names of the parts of the brain, but we have to remember some of the important parts of the brain. For example, lobes like limbic lobe, parietal lobe, frontal lobe, occipital lobe. You can see here limbic lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and frontal lobe. Okay, and medulla oblongata. You can see here, which is the medulla oblongata, the pons, the mammillary body, the thalamus, which is thalamus, the hypothalamus. You guys can see the hypothalamus is just below the thalamus. Cerebellum, fourth ventricle, corpora quadrigemina. Okay, so these are the main parts of the brain. Now let's see the ductus arteriosus. What does the word ductus arteriosus mean? So these are the parts of the arteries and all and all. What are the parts of that? What does it mean? This is the simple diagrammatic view of ductus arteriosus. Left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery. Ductus arteriosus, left pulmonary artery. Innominate artery, right pulmonary artery, aorta and pulmonary trunk. So guys, these are some of the main important diagrams of the medical. Okay.